Seen a couple of KTMs and bits and bobs. Oh, love it, bro. Look right there. What? Why is the feds here?
I don't know. Apparently they're doing bike checks.
No, I swear.
Yeah.
I'm Danwise and we are back with a video. So I can't lie, first things first, I hope you guys can hear me. I can't lie, I just got a new helmet. So quick peek. Obviously I had to switch all the stuff over from my old one. So basically we are going to Donington bike meet. We've been there, I don't know, a couple of months ago. We're gonna go again. The one I know me boys, so we're just gonna see what it's saying. Like I said, I just hope this mic's working though, man. Flipping rush hour traffic. Oh, it's all good though, because we all ride on a moped. So it's always good vibes, boys. Always good vibes. We're just squeezing through. Oh man, it's been so hot recently as well, I can't even lie, man. I got my Miami clothes on again, boys. But just in case it gets a bit worse on the way back or cooler, I've got my stuff in my backpack. What I was saying on an angle, because like obviously my other helmet was like tilted forward a bit, whereas this one is a bit like more up. I'm gonna have to see when I'm gonna be doing the video, see if it's any better or not. I'm gonna have to adjust it or leave as it is. What are we saying, boys? What are we saying, man? Honestly, I love this bike, man. It just sounds so good. Can't lie, that's one thing about bikes, boys, girls, aunties, smokers, and all the good people watching. You can just slide through the traffic, boys. Oh, brother, who's doing burnouts? Wow, brother, you're so fast. Good vibes only, boys, girls, aunties, smokers, and all the good people watching. Woo! I can't lie, I'm loving this new helmet though. Like the vision's more like open and everything. I feel like I can see like I feel like I've got like a wide lens on it. Open up. And obviously I've got a tinted as well, so I can see a couple of mopeds there, boys. A couple of mopeds there, boys. Trying to squeeze through. Potholes. More potholes. Sometimes I forgot what I did yesterday, bro. Just always busy, always on the move, always on the go. We don't do no days off, boys. Always active, busy, all the good stuff, man. I've got a new French. These are my new French. My boys are just being chilling. Obviously, it is what it is. So one man on me, but it's cool. We've got more French people here. These are my French. I don't know, we've got, I think it's a H2 SX. No idea what that is. I think that's the S1K at the front. Brothers are coming as well. Oh yeah, now here we go, look. Now it's looking a bit. Brothers. Whee! She's signing. Good, boys. I'm probably the only chav guy here though, I can't even lie to you, boys. Brother, take picture. Brother, take picture. Oh, we went to the dirt side there. Stress. Alright, my French. Oh my god, I just seen Ferraris there, bro. Plate that ASAP. Oh my god, what they doing there, boys? Bro, I just seen a last minute, boys. I can't even lie, my friend. Why they moving like that, man? That's kind of crazy, my friend. Oh my god. You alright, my friend? Yeah, no, I can't lie, this is gonna get rammed though. Like I said, it's still a bit early. I can't believe the boys though, man. This is moving like that, what's that plate? Oh, brother, that is stress. Oh, stress, I'd leave the chat. Anyway, what was I gonna say? You know that flipping cafe in London? Bike cafe, or no, bike shit, that's it. That someone's gonna be like that. Like that bike shit. Oh yeah, man, it's looking kind of stressed. If they're gonna start doing that kind of madness here, people are just gonna start coming. Oh, it might be just me in it, like, I don't know, it might be just waffling too much right now. But yeah, man, trying to get a bit closer to the boys. Well, let's look at some moped actually. We've got Tracer. Come on, just spot the Tracer. 09, SP09. Yeah, man. No, that's kind of crazy, man. I don't like that. Might be just me, man. Too dodgy, boys. Too dodgy. What? No, what's going on, man? I got police on bikes and everything. Yo, this ain't looking good. Hello, my French. How are you? Alright, my French. Got a couple of dirt bikers here, my French. No, I'm gonna see side. No, I'm not bothered, but look at the plates on that though. Extra small. Not bothered, bro. Not bothered. If they're getting away with it, I'm definitely getting away with it. Unless they're just here, innit? I don't even know, man. But looking not bad, man. I like that 09. Oh, not too bad either. This one is good, my French. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna have a wander around. Last time the food place was there. They've changed a few things about though. Seen a couple of KTMs and bits and bobs. Oh, love it, bro. Lord, right there. Bro, is he checking everyone's bikes and that? No, empty time. Brother, what you lot doing, man? Go home. No, I don't think, I think just looking at mopeds, innit? Obviously, that bike shed in London, I heard the police in there and they've been working together, I've been catching a lot of people out. I don't like that stuff, man. Just flop the whole, like, whatever the word is, man. Anyway, I think I'm gonna cut off a little bit here. I'm back in it to see where the other lads are going. Oh, see who's it. Oh, I can't get my words out. See who else is here, my French. This one looks kind of mad still. Graphic on this. Something different on it. Something different, boys. Something different, yeah. Seen that 07 as well. Stunning that. I like this one. This one looks nice, man. The colour schemes and everything just bang on for me. Not too much. Just nice and clean, man. Nice and brother, these rocks, man. Stress, but yeah, I don't even know where a couple of lads are anyway. We'll still walk around. But no, boys, this gen or the new gen, like the 20, I don't even know, like the new gen, basically. I don't know, man. For me, these ones, man, these ones are the best ones. LD Besh, bro. LD Besh. Yeah. Oh, nah, I should be cool. Yeah, come on, man. They come to me now. I'm trying to keep away from the boys. I can't lie. I'll be real. Trying to stay far away. Spitting balls now, boys. I can't even lie. No, boys. Can't see him, my French. Bro says at the front somewhere. Brother, with a couple of more mopeds turning in. Couple of, yes. Same, bro.
Yeah, you good?
You good? Yourself, yeah? Yeah? Same, lads. You good, yeah? I'm good, bro. Same, my guy. You got, yeah? Yeah, by myself still. Aye?
Where you parked?
I'm just up there, bro. Out the way, innit? Yeah. Why is the feds here?
I don't know, apparently they're doing bike checks.
No, I swear.
Yeah.
No, I'm getting off, bro.
Doing wheelies from after here if you
Oh,
want.
yeah. Can't do still.
He's the wheelie guy.
Is it?
Yeah, he said he doesn't do that.
We've got Owen stories.
Everything.
Sit on. Yeah, man. Good lad still.
Story is proof,
Yeah,
bro.
It's AI, innit? It's AI, bro. Don't worry about it. It's AI. This is brother. That's fucking crazy. Look how much dust they're giving up, boys, man. They came here to smoke. Brothers. Lots of brothers. I can't lie. I want to show you boys something. If it's still there. Yeah, she's still there, man. She's still there. Listen. This. Not her. This. This, boys. Yes. I would absolutely wouldn't mind something like this though, boys. I can't even lie. And there's here, bro, the R&M. Whew, missed out on it. I can't lie, missed out on it. But Brother, very dusty. Look how dusty my flipping moped is now, boys, man. Nah, man, very dangerous. Brother, you got any sponges on you? But yeah, as I was saying, boys, girls, aunties, muggers, and all good people watching. Wanna get up with, boys? Whee! Massive pot, boys. Oh. Brothers, sisters, aunties, muggers. Brothers, now trying to get past. Alright, my French. Oh, I need to catch some air because I'm sweating, boys. Brother! SB2 10. It's good stuff, man. Come on, lad. Woo-hoo! Come on, lad. Come on, lad. Windy, man. Woo, potholes. Oh yeah, I know it. Private road, boys, private road. Go on, lad. I think I've gone past it. I think we're chilling here anyway. Need some fuel, man. Get some petrol station. I ain't forgot my stuff on me, man. I can't even lie, man. Try saying that though, I don't think I've got mine, you know, boys. Oh no, I do. What's up?
I haven't got my card on me.
I said on? Fuck, you know. What are you saying if I saw it? We send the money back over then or what? Chuck some in and send the money back over? Oh yeah, contactless, yeah. Alright, my friend. Say lads, you good? Always. What's up? Why? Why? What? Can you not do contact there though? Can you not ask him inside? Say you got your phone on you, but you can't do it card on it. No, I think you chat to him, they'll let you do it, innit? Yeah, I've done it before in the van or something. I've got that one, yeah? I'm saying, try that one. Yeah, I want fucking... I hate when they pull up like that though. I hate when they pull up like that.
What's wrong with you?
What's right with me? Yeah. Well, you know what I lied to my... Yeah. Road, I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys.
What are you doing?
I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't do nothing, boys. I forgot to set my traction, so I can't Oh, good, good, good. I just had to switch the traction off. I just had to switch the traction off. The traction off. I'm trying to see some action too, boys. Go on, man. I'm trying to see some action too, man. Go on, lad. There we go. Spin around if I can. No, I'm gonna do it before this car. I'm not trying to wait or overtake or any business like that. Yeah, my brakes are there for hot still. I can't even let it sponges out. Yeah, man, she sounds so good on limit though. Okay. Go on, lad. Go on, lad. Whee! Wow, look how shaky that wheel is, man. What the fuck? Oh, what happened there? Yo, what happened there?
You weren't paying attention.
Wow. That's mad still. I thought you did that.
Where was her?
I know, but I said at first I thought it was you, innit?
No, I pulled in like you lot.
Yeah. Fuck it over. Yo, there's I can't lie, if you don't want to do some wheelies, it's up to you. But down there, as you turn left, there's like a little island. I want to take some pictures and shit. Yeah, if you don't want to fly up, whatever. Yeah?